Good morning guys, in front of me is the INFINIX Note 60 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So if your device stuck for some unknown reason, it's kind of freeze and you don't know what to do, the best way to start with is to perform a soft reset. Like in 90% of situations it helps. So what to do? Just tap on power button and on good volume up button. Tap and hold. Keep holding for around 10 seconds. If it's not reloaded, just tap on power button again and hold it. Once you see INFINIX logo, you can remove finger from power button. It actually should appear after like 12, maybe 13 seconds after tapping on both buttons, but if not, just perform it the same way that I did and wait till your INFINIX is rebooted. And that's it. Now unlock it and it should work smoothly. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.